Alright guys, well I just got done changing my intake filter. It's right there. I put this new one in there, the spec tray, and now I'm gonna do an oil change on my 1999 BMW 323i. Oil that I'm using today is this Valvoline Full Synthetic 5W30, and I'm using this little STP oil filter. That's the one that came with this. Otherwise, I would use something else, but that'll do. And I already have the car jacked up with some bricks in the back, and let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm back here, and what I did, I just broke this loose. Broke that loose right now. That's the oil filter. Took off the cap. Now I'm gonna get underneath. Actually broke the oil pan bolt loose too. I'll show you where it's at. Let me adjust this real quick. And there it is right here. Let me move this a little bit. It is right there. My car is a little warm. This is a 17 millimeter. Grab my bolt real quick. Alright guys, I had my little nephew over here bring...
Hi.
I had to bring the other pan because this one was overflowing. Oh, damn. But let's do the next step. Alright guys, next is the oil filter.
Filter?
Oil filter.
The oil filter?
Yep. This one I believe is a 32 millimeter. And this last one I used was a K&N.
Ow.
Let's put this guy right here since that one's old now. Let it sit here for a few minutes to drain out so I don't get it all dirty everywhere. And there it is. And when I put it back together, I'm gonna clean this up right here. And I'm gonna change the seal. And yep. Alright guys, so here's the oil filter. Let me pull it out for you. It comes here with a new gasket right here, and then it comes with a new crush washer for the
I think it turned off.
It's still recording. Keep holding it right there. Yeah, so it's a crush washer for the plug. Let's do this. Take this guy off. Let's clean this up a little bit right here. Clean this off. Let me pick up my... Alright, so I use this. Okay. So here's the old one now. Clean. Oh shoot, got some oil all over. I'm gonna clean this seal part up right here. Just wipe it down. There could still be oil in there. That's perfectly fine. I'll put this on. It goes right here. So there it is right there. And then get some of the new oil. some new oil. Put a little bit on my finger. Just a little bit. Put it right here on the outside so it goes in nice and easy. And then I'll go. And then I'll go put this on. Slap it on right there. Nice and even. And put it back right here. There it clicks in, and after that, it's nice and firm. I'll finish that up with the wrench after. Alright guys, we're getting back underneath the car. And we are now we're now going to put this in. Drain plug. Look, that's in the oil. Damn guys, I forgot that I dropped the bolt in here. I gotta go fishing for it. Found it. Yep, these magnetic tools come in handy. Alright guys, I just washed it off. So this little washer, the crust washer, you could actually throw it away if you want. I'm gonna throw mine away since we got a new one here, and this is gonna go on the bolt. And then we're gonna put it in the oil pan. Get it underneath here. Let me clean this up a bit. Put some put a little bit of oil on it so it don't strip up or nothing. There's some little threads. Perfect. Like this one more time. Put this sucker in there. This little guy. Do this. Put my rag over there. Soak up some oil. Use this to tighten it. Nice and firm. I didn't over tighten it. There it goes. Perfect. Now we can start adding some oil in. Take this cap off. We could do the 5-gallon jug first, because ew, got all over me. Still gonna use this, and let's add in 5 quarts. So I'm gonna put 6 quarts, and then I'll add from there. I'll level it out in the driveway, and then yeah, check from there, see what else I need. believe it says 7 or 6.9 quarts, but maybe there was some leftover oil. I don't know. This cap back on. Clean this up real quick. Go around. Let's get one more of these. That'll be 6 quarts. And then, yeah. Like I said, I'll add in from there if I need more. Alright guys, I'm all done here. Made sure everything is tight. The oil filter, made sure the drain plug is tight. And I put in 6 quarts of oil. I just need to take it off the jacks, roll it down the driveway, level it out, and add some more oil in, little by little, till it's nice and good. Alright guys, I leveled it out. Gonna check this real quick. Yeah, it's a little low, so wipe it off. I'm probably gonna put in a 1/2 quart. Nope, gotta go more. Go a tiny bit more. Yeah, it's cool. Perfect. The dipstick back in. Put this cap back on. Actually, let me wipe that real quick. Alright, wipe that real quick. Put this back on. And then I'm gonna crank it, let it run for like 30 seconds. Alright guys, let's check it one more time. Let me wipe this off real quick. Put this back in. All the way in. Perfect. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you do oil change on a 1999 BMW 323i.